Hi there, Holly Wood, Product Manager at ColDesi. Customized Mylar bags are wildly popular and easily accomplished with our DigitalHeat FX systems. Today, you are going to learn how to customize these specialty holographic Mylar bags using our Creo 8432 printer. So before you get started, let's go through the supplies that you'll need. First is the holographic bag. These are holographic on the front and clear on the back. If you're an Amazon seller, these are Amazon approved with a clear back. Heat tape is optional, but I do prefer it since this is such a small print area. Laser dark forever paper, the A and the B sheet. Finishing sheets. You can use scissors, or I prefer my Rotary Trimmer for efficiency. So now that we finished printing, I'm going to take it over to my heat press to marry the A sheet with the B sheet. Cover with a finishing sheet. And this particular paper goes in at 310 for 120 seconds on a low pressure, but always check your directions just to make sure, because different papers have different directions. So my sheets are married. I'm going to take them over to my trimmer, and you can do multiples at a time. And this is why I like this trimmer. It will actually lock into place so I can do multiples without sliding out from under each other. You'll do want to trim all of your edges because it can leave a little bit of polymer or the B sheet on the edges that will transfer to whatever product you're putting them on. So once you're finished trimming, they're ready to be applied to your bags. I've got the bags prepped and ready to go. I did have to drop my press to 200, so keep that in mind when you're working. Get all of your marry steps done and then plan a little break in there because it does take a little bit for the press to cool. I'm just gonna load up as many as I can, and this is gonna be a quick 10-second press. Cover with your finishing sheet and put in on a medium pressure for 10 seconds. So this is a cool peel process, so just take them over to a hard surface to let them cool. So once your bags have cooled, you can just roll off the transfer. So this is the finished bag. If you prefer a glossy finish, like I do, you can leave it as is, or if you prefer a matte finish, you can throw it back into your press for about 10 seconds on a higher pressure covered with parchment paper. This is just one of the several ways that you can create custom Mylar bags using our DigitalHeat FX printers. For more customization techniques, check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.